Nice work!
Oh, goodness gracious.
What'd you think?
It was freaking amazing.
What was your favorite part?
Free falling.
Nice.
The free fall was just insane.
Oh, you did a great job.
Oh, well, thank you.
Thanks for coming out to see us.
All right, bye.